Gang, how are ya? Mark Linderman, the Wannabe Prepper, coming to you with a personal project of my own today. So, I've always preached this notion that Christmas is a great time to ask for awesome preparedness gifts. Well, I've gotten some myself, but the problem is I have nowhere to store it. And as of now, we have an area in our house where I deem my preparedness cubby hole. And as you can see, it's kind of a see there, it's kind of a disaster. And so this is our area right now, but this is just, it's a mess, folks. It's a disaster trying to help a disaster. But yeah, this is the entrance, the secret entrance to my disaster bat cave. Maybe I should call it that instead. So bear with me. We're going to clean this bad boy out. Holy Toledo. Can you believe all this crap came out of that little cubby area? So, my job now is to take that and put it in this nice and more tidy area. Got cobwebs everywhere. Don't know if you can see all those. But they's gots to go, folks. So my next job is to clean this place up. See you soon. Okay, so I have cleaned the cubby hole out, and you kind of see a little bit more about what it looks like. It actually wraps around underneath our stairs. So, again, you can see where all these patches were that I made. So I need to paint those with some dry lock paint just to kind of seal some stuff in. Paint this woodwork so it's just a little bit brighter here. And then it'll be time to rock and roll, my friends. I'm about as high as a kite right now because this dry lock paint is oil based and it is woohoo! Yeah. So we'll take a few more breaks so I can air my nostrils out and keep on going. Keep on keeping on. My wife's uncle said that a little bit of paint will cover a multitude of sin. I think I've done painting over the gates of hell in here because this was dank. So let me get some time to lay this carpet down. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. See you soon, bad boys. So I got these two muscle racks from Menards. This was my Christmas present to me. Yay me. My helper, my son, is going to help me get these together. He's going to help us, and we'll blast it out here. Okay.
Oh snap.
Foo fat.
So you're filming me technically still.
So with the help of my awesome son Noel, we put together the shelves, and I'm kind of liking how it looks so far. So take a look. See what you think. Just enough space with maybe like 2 inches to spare. When you go to a hotel, don't feel the need that you need to get every daggone piece of soap or shower gel or hair crap. How the hell many of these am I going to need? Because I probably have counted at least 20 of these somewhere along the way. I mean, seriously, the apocalypse is going to happen. I doubt if 20 mini bars of soap is going to save my rear end or my family's. So I've got this stuff behind me. I have no clue what's even in it. And so that's part of what makes me the Wannabe Prepper. I've got all this junk that I've accumulated over the years. And you know, when you first started the whole thing with prepping, you see junk, crap, whatever. You think, oh yeah, I'm going to need this for the end of the world stuff. And that's not really the case. And I think the first thing to logically do as a prepper, for me being a wannabe prepper to actually I don't know about full-blown prepper, but is to really take stock of one, what you need, and two, what you have, and three, reevaluate what you need all over again. And the first thing that in my opinion, that you have to do is to realize what you're prepping for. You know, if it's the end of the world as we know it, the crud behind me is going to make no difference whatsoever long term. And so I have a family, I have myself, we have 2 great dogs. What am I going to need in case a disaster actually strikes in my hometown to survive? Let's put time on it. A month? 2 months? 3 months? I think to logically pretend that we're going to have a year's supply of stuff isn't going to fit the mindset or reality of 99% of the people watching this video. I do want to live through 30 to 60 days of really bad inconvenience. So I live in Indiana. Not a whole lot of problems with hurricanes here. We have snowstorms, ice storms, tornadoes, flooding. What are we going to do? I don't know what this is. What are we going to do, you know, if something bad happens? So let's be realistic about this. Let's pull up our big boy pants and be real with ourselves. How much junk are we really going to need for a family of 4 to survive for 60 days with minimal outings into the public arena? That's step number 1. We'll unload all this junk. Step number 2, I'm going to pile it in different piles. Step number 3, I'm going to whittle it down to what I think I really need. Step number 4, repack it and put it back into, of course, I'm pointing this way, so my area, my cubby area is this way. I want to show you how decrepit the area used to be and how long it's been since I've actually looked in these bags and all this stuff here. That is mold right there. That's how long it's been since I've looked at this. And so, again, another reason I decided to clean some stuff up. We do have a dehumidifier in our basement, but obviously they get back in that area. So yeah, that's dank. It's gross. So we're probably going to end up getting rid of this bag. This is some bull crap here, people. I have got enough crap that would make any hoarder jump in joy. The rule is, if it's opened, damaged, or got anything funky with it, it's gone. It's trash. I don't care what it is. Okay, kids, I want you to look at this. Look at all this, that toothpaste and these toothbrushes I have. How in the name of Zeus's armpit we're going to use that in 30 to 60 days? I got enough daggone toothbrushes here to flush my bathroom, not flush, to scrub my bathroom floor and kitchen floor 10 times over. Much less our teeth. So guess what? Go ahead and have the junk some of it. Well, kids, I'm done sweeping. The living room downstairs is now cleaned up, free of debris. And guess what? I'm done, kids. A stick a fork in it. So, come on. Let's go see what we got done. Look at this. Nice and organized. Still have my emergency kit toolbox sticker on there. Needs to come out. I tried to organize everything as well as I could. Got around here, we have a couple more boxes in my bug out bag and my big buddy propane heater. Water on the bottom, some bleach, luggable loo portable toilet, medical supplies, body care and sanitizer, freeze-dried food, another bug-out bag, household items, medicine, camping 1 and camping 2, hygiene items, and some paper towels, my emergency medical bag, and some lanterns. Got my emergency gas shutoff wrench next to my fire hydrant. If I'm ever really bored, I can just pop a squat here. Think about all things preparedness. I did put some new AAA batteries in these portable lights and really brightened things up. So all in all, I'm pretty near happy with it. I finally got done this preparedness project I've wanted to get done. That doesn't mean I'm done with it. And I like to really kind of catalog everything. But you know what? That just ain't here nor there. I'm pootered. I am happy with what it looks like so far. Prepping is not a done thing ever. So you're always got to take a, not dumb thing. It sounded like dumb thing. I said done thing. D-U-N-D-O-N-E. But anyway, here it is. And so prepping is an ongoing, living, breathing thing. So I'll have to reevaluate every so often. Clean this stuff up, take stock of what I have, add some things I need, take away some things I don't need. But yeah, I'm one small, minute step closer to being a prepper rather than a wannabe prepper. But I'm happy with it. Christmas money well spent. It's a project that you can do. If you have just a small space, this is a very small space, but now it's an organized small space. So, in the prepping world, I'm stoked. I hope you're stoked with me. And I'm going to be uber stoked for you if you can find a way to do this in your house or somewhere else. So, Mark Linderman, Wannabe Prepper. See you soon next time, gang. Stay stoked, my friends.